nakakapagpagabab.
Even you cannot say.
Wait, so
Hi, mabuhay. Yeah, it's me, Tasuku. Thank you for being here again. Today, also, I have Alvin.
for many times.
Many times. Yeah. More you corresponding.
I
Somehow part of me.
Yeah, of the channel.
Okay. Today, something different. Now,
Hi, welcome back to my channel.
oh my gosh.
Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I want Tasuku to say something in Tagalog. So we will do some sort of tongue twisters in my language.
Tongue twister.
Mhm.
Tongue twister. I'm gonna challenge tongue
and
twister.
Of course, and
Yeah.
I want your tongue to be twisted with the words I'm going to provide
Okay.
later.
Yeah.
Are you ready for the challenge?
Yes po.
Yes po.
Yes po.
Alright, so
Yeah.
without further ado, let's get started.
Started. Yay.
So the first word is nakakapagpagabab.
Even you cannot say.
Wait, so the first word is nakakapagpagabag, which means disturbing in English. Okay, so want you to say this word in 3 times.
Here is the difference. Ikimasu. Wait. Nakakapagpabagabag. Too difficult.
Super hard, right?
What does it mean by?
It means very disturbing.
Very disturbing.
Yes.
Nakakapagpagabag.
Yeah, nakakapagpagababa. It's so hard.
Nakakapagpagabag.
Yeah, wait. I'm just gonna.
How much score can I get?
4.
4 out of?
4 out of 10.
Yeah. Not bad.
So next one is a little bit challenging. So I'll say it in Tagalog and then I'll provide the English
Okay.
definition of it.
Okay.
So, minikaniko ni Monico ang makina ng manika ni Monica.
Please say 3 times.
Okay, minikaniko ni Monico ang makina ng manika ni Monica. Minikaniko ni Monico ang makina ng manika ni Monica. Minikaniko ni Monico ang makina ng manika ni Monica.
Too difficult to
So
be.
that means Monica fixed the mechanics of Monica's stall.
Monica stuff.
Yeah, Monica fixed the mechanics of the Monica's stall.
Okay.
いきます。
行きましょう。ミニカニコにモニコアンマキナナマニカにモニカ。ミニカニコにモニコミニカニモニコミニカニコにモニコアンマニカナマニカにモニカ。はい。ミニカニコにモニコアンマキナng manika ni Monica. How? I nailed it, right? Maybe I believe.
Twisters, I would give you 5.
Even 5? Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I'm strict.
Oh my
That's
god.
it.
Next I get definitely 10. I aim.
Okay.
10.
Hang on a second. Alright, so I'm very much aware that Japanese are having a hard time pronouncing the letter R and the letter L.
Yeah, definitely.
So I will provide you the R and L tongue twisters. So the tongue twister is ang relo ni Leroy ay Rolex.
Difficult.
Yeah, which means the watch of Leroy is Rolex. It's not Leroy because that's American English, but we pronounce it as Leroy. Leroy. Are you ready?
Okay. Try. Ang relo ni Leroy ay Rolex. Oh my god, so hard. To Japanese person or to me? Ikimasu. Ang relo ni Leroy ay Rolex. Ang relo ni Leroy ay Rolex. Ang relo ni Leroy ay Rolex. Rolex.
Okay.
too hard. Too hard to
The R and the L.
distinguish. Yeah, distinguish L and R.
I think I would give you 3. The score's not like this, but it goes like
Gosh.
this.
Go.
Can you say rural, ruler, rural, ruler many times?
Okay. Rural, lura, rural, lula, rural, lula.
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 Rural, 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 ruler, rural, ruler, rural, ruler, rural, ruler. Next one we have sinusi ni Susan ang sisidlan ng sisiw.
Difficult.
Sinusi ni Susan ang sisidlan ni sisiw, which means Susan keyed the baby chicken coop.
Oh, whatever.
Okay.
mahirap talaga. Ikimasu. Sinusi ni Susan ang sisidlan ng sisiw.
Not she, because in Japanese, their C is like she.
Yeah.
Not she.
C should be C. Okay. Sinusi ni Susan ang sisidlan ng sisiw. Sinusi ni Susan ang sisidlan ng sisiw. Sinusi ni Susan ang sisidlan ng sisiw.
Can you say sisidlan?
Sisidlan.
C, not she. Sisidlan.
Sisidlan. Sisidlan.
Okay. I'll give you 2.
Oh my gosh! Worst.
Yeah, too many errors.
Sisidlan.
Sisidlan. This one is easy. Should be easy. So, 77 puting tupa. 77 puting tupa. Be careful because the tupa, you may word it as puta. Puta is a bad word in the Philippines.
Yeah.
So, 77 puting tupa, which means 77 white sheep.
77 white sheep.
Yeah.
Okay. How about right? Ikimasu. 77 puting tupa. 77 puting tupa. 77 puting tupa.
Can you make it faster?
はい、いきます。ピトンプピトンプティントパピトンププティンプタン
No! Dame.
ピトンプピトンプティンティパピトンプピトンプティントパピトンプピトンプティントパ
Okay. Good. Not 7.
Yay, thank you.
Then the last one, ikimasu. Palakang kabkab, kumakalabkab, kakalabukab pa lamang, kumakalabkab na naman.
Even you cannot say.
Yeah. So which means frog swimming like a water snake keeps on swimming like a water snake. So palakang kabkab, kumakalabkab, kakalabukab pa lamang, kumakalabukab na naman.
Filipino ka ba?
It's so hard.
Oh, yeah, even Filipino.
Yeah, but I wanted you to hear that.
Okay, ikimasu. Palakang kabakab, kumakalabukab, kakalabukab, palamang kumakalabukab na naman. Parakang kabukab,
Parang kabkab?
Parakang kabukab, kumakalabukab, kakalakalabukab, paramang kumakalab na naman. Super difficult, oh my gosh. Parakang kabab, kumakalabukab,
So I think you've done pretty well, I think.
I nailed it.
Yeah, you pretty much
Thank
nailed
you so
it.
much.
You did it.
Arigato.
So, thank you very much for watching my channel. Oh, I'm sorry, it's your channel.
No, it's okay. Yeah, that's for all today. Overall, right? It's super difficult because how can I say like
How do you find Filipino language?
fine?
Yeah, how do you find Filipino language? Like, what's your evaluation?
How do
you feel about my
evaluation,
language?
right? Inchikit as super syllabication, right?
Yeah.
Syllabication, right? Always paka
Don't say poke poke.
I'm sorry. What does it mean by?
Poke. Like.
You are so nasty.
No, you are nasty.
We are nasty. I'm
Yeah.
sorry.
Yeah.
Maybe I put right.
Yeah. Then you put line here. Like,
Oh my-
like what?
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Yeah. Anyway, thank you for today. That's all for today. And if you interested our video, please hit subscribe button and then leave comment, leave thumb, and then turn on notification as well.
Follow him on Twitter.
Yeah. Twitter. I have Twitter and I have Twicasting account.
Yeah. Follow him on tweetcasting. He always do tweetcast to
Attract.
No. Follow him on Tweetcast so that you will be able to talk to him in person and you will be able to know Japanese mentoring sessions with him.
Yeah. I will do. Thank you. Also, please subscribe to his channel as well. He provides super educational purpose and more fun like accent challenge, or then he has a lot of friends who lives in Brazil, Russian or American, or as well as
Russia.
Yeah. Maybe you must be enjoy his channel.
Yep.
Okay.
See you next time.
Thank you.
Don't forget to follow him on Tweetcast.
Yeah. Thank you.
See you there.
Bye.
Bye.
Salamat.
Salamat.